Dear students, in this section we will see interaction diagram. Interaction diagrams are the models that describe how group of objects collaborate to realize some behavior. An interaction diagram shows a number of example objects and the messages that are passed among these objects. So basically there are two types of interaction diagram, sequence diagram and collaboration diagram. These two diagrams are equivalent in the sense that if we draw the sequence diagram, then from that sequence diagram we can easily draw the collaboration diagrams. These diagrams play a very important role in the design process. So first we will see sequence diagram. Sequence diagram. The sequence diagram shows the interaction among the objects as a two-dimensional chart, and the chart is read from top to bottom. And here objects are shown as boxes at top, and if the object is created during the execution of any program, then at that time that object is created, and the object which is appeared at the top is already existed, and we can draw it in the top of the sequence diagram. So see here, this is the example of the sequence diagram. Okay, so here the objects are drawn, or the objects are appear at the top of this sequence diagram. So these are the objects which are represented in the rectangle. Okay, and the vertical dash line below this is the object's lifeline. The lifeline indicates the existence of the object at any particular time. Okay, and the rectangle drawn on this dotted line is, these are the rectangles. So that is called as the activation symbol. It indicates that the object is active as long as that rectangle is exists, and each message is indicated by an arrow. The message is written at the top of that arrow, and these messages are read from in the chronological order, that is from the top to bottom. Okay, so this is the sequence diagram for library management system in which the member wants to renew the book. Okay, so these are the objects which are used in the library module. Okay, now first the module is renew book. Now that person has to member of that library library. So first it find whether that person is a member of library or not. Agar hai, if that person is a member, then it shows the borrowing details of that person. Then after that person select the book which he want, then book is selected, then that book is find out in the book stall or in the database. If that book is reserved, then apology is sent to that person. Okay, if that book is available, then the record is updated, the book is given to the user or the library member, and after that again the database is updated and confirm it gives the book to that person. So this is the sequence diagram which is read from top to bottom. Next is collaboration diagram. So this collaboration diagram shows both structural as well as behavioral view of the system, unlike the sequence diagram. Sequence diagram only shows the behavioral aspect, but the collaboration diagram shows both structural as well as behavioral. So structural means it gives the collaboration of the among the objects. So here object is also called as the collaborator, and the objects are communicated with each other, means the link are shown by the solid line, and it gives the messages that are passed among the objects. So it is the structural view. See here. So this is the structural view. Number of objects drawn and the link between that objects is the structural view. And behavioral view means all the messages are preceded or prefixed with the sequence number. Okay, see here. First is renew of book, then second is find the member borrowing, then third is display borrowing, then select book. Also all these messages are preceded with the sequence number. So this gives the behavioral view of the system or the interaction among the objects of the system. Okay. So this is the collaboration diagram for the library management system, in which the library member wants to renew the book. Okay. So thank you so much.